This is a television. But when you're not watching it, it folds into a luxury sculpture and disappears. And it's made by Bugatti. Bugatti, the company behind the most expensive production cars ever built, just partnered with Austrian luxury display brand C Seed to create the C Seed Bugatti N1. And it might be the most extravagant piece of home technology ever conceived. Let's break down exactly what this thing is. The N1 comes in two sizes, 110 inches and 137 inches. The display technology is 4K MicroLED, which is the highest tier of consumer display available right now, sharper, brighter, and more durable than OLED. The audio system is built by Wisdom Audio, which outfits concert halls and private jets. And the entire unit folds mechanically in 45 seconds at the press of a single button. When it's closed, it doesn't look like a television at all. It looks like a sculptural decorative object. Clean lines, minimal surface, the kind of thing you'd expect to find in a gallery rather than a living room. The launch colorway is called Sculpture Silver, a custom finish developed specifically for this collaboration. But bespoke color configurations are available for buyers who want something entirely unique. Now here's the design philosophy behind the folding mechanism, because it's actually more interesting than a gimmick. Bugatti's stated intent was to solve a problem that almost nobody talks about in luxury interiors. A television, when it's off, is just a large black rectangle on your wall. No matter how beautiful your space is, a dormant screen dominates it. The N1 is designed to remove that problem entirely. When you don't need it, it's gone, replaced by an object that belongs in the room. When you want it, 45 seconds later, you have a 137-inch micro-LED display in front of you. That's a genuinely different way of thinking about what a television should be. The design language pulls directly from Bugatti's Tourbillon hypercar. The carbon fiber geometry, the precision engineering details, the way negative space is used as intentionally as material. C Seed has been making ultra-premium folding displays for over a decade, but this is the first time they've brought a true luxury automotive brand into the product design process from the ground up. The result is something that feels less like a consumer electronics product and more like a collaboration between two ateliers. Pricing hasn't been announced yet. But to give you a reference point, C Seed's existing flagship folding displays start around $400,000. With Bugatti's involvement and the custom engineering required here, the N1 will almost certainly sit above that. Which means this television probably costs more than most people's homes. And yet, there's something worth taking seriously in what this product represents. The luxury market has always pushed technology forward by funding engineering that eventually filters down. Micro-LED displays, precision motorized mechanisms, architectural integration of screens. These are ideas that start at the extreme end and gradually become mainstream. The N1 is absurd by any practical measure. But it's also a preview of how the relationship between technology and interior space might evolve for everyone. A television that knows when to disappear is not a crazy idea. It's just an expensive one right now. Pricing is still unconfirmed, but if you're asking whether this is worth whatever it costs, you're probably not the target customer. The target customer is someone for whom the question doesn't apply. Subscribe if you want to keep following the technology that exists at the edge of what's possible. And tell me in the comments, would you rather have a TV that hides itself, or does a great display deserve to be on the wall all the time?